Nice little fat guy.
I need those damn pliers. I hooked them good there.
What'd you get them in the side too?
Yeah.
Oh God. Where are the pliers?
Here, there. What were they?
He was in pretty sharp.
All right. He's.
Bit right at the end of the tail.
I just don't know where the better fish are, but boy, they are beautiful color. Look at that. About a 1.25 pound fish. Oh, that's a decent fish, Virgil.
Come here, bugger.
I don't know.
I don't want to
The
grab them hooks.
minnow baits are working now.
Yeah.
Just wish we could get them bigger, but be careful.
Yeah.
This thing will get you a hook in you.
Oh, maybe I need to grab the bait. There we go. Come out of there.
Now he's a little 12-incher or so, maybe 13.
Oh no!
Catch and release. That's all right. I got it on camera.
Did you?
Oh, a pound and a half. Where is he?
These?
Right there.
Oh, I see him. That's a largemouth, isn't it?
Yeah.
What he hit? A buzzbait?
Mm-hmm.
Bring him up so I can see him. See again? Oh, that's a decent fish. That's about 2-pounder, maybe. Well, maybe not that big. Oh,
Can you believe it? You need a net?
I'll hand it to him. I want him on film. I'm gonna bring him up.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, he's a good one. Pretty nice largemouth. Maybe I don't want to get a mouthful of hooks. Let me get the net. Too many hooks in it. He's a 2-pounder or better. I finally got one that didn't jump off.
He hit it a little harder. Got
Yeah.
his mouth open.
Well, he got a bunch of hooks in it. That one there, oh, I got to get the pliers. Did you film him?
Yeah, let me take a photo once.